raise songs of celebration, joining the triumph train of this confessor, Father and leader, now in the heavens, reigning forever, reigning forever. Oh, John Marivianney, pray for us. John Marivianney, pray for us.
I love you, O God, and I would rather die loving you than live without loving you. Respected manager, principal, teachers, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear loving friends. We, the Vianneyans, were eagerly waiting to celebrate the school day. On this occasion, I wish you all a happy Vianney Day and festal greetings and prayers. I am privileged to speak a few words on this auspicious feast day. Saint John Marie Vianney is a French Catholic priest who is venerated as the patron saint of priests. We are lucky to have Saint John Marie Vianney as the patron of our school. John Vianney was born on 8 May 1786, who was renowned as the confessor for his supernatural powers. When we look at Maria Vianney's life, we can see that he was an average student who had his studies interrupted in 1809 and was recruited into Napoleon's army. He was ordained a priest in 1815 and was appointed as the parish priest in the village of Ars. His hard work and exemplary life made us a model parish. He liked to be in the confessional for long hours and spend time praying in the church. He is the great example of a qualities like simplicity, kindness to the poor, and devotion to God. He shows us a great example of a simple life in which we can avoid all the luxurious comfort. He is the man who taught us to have a real spirituality instead of having fake prayers and lot of devotion. On 4th August 1859, Vianney died at the age of 73, and in 1925 he was canonized by Pope Pius XI. He is the man of a great dedication. He responded sincerely to his divine call. Today, Saint John Vianney is the model for all the people, and may Saint Vianney enlighten all of us to live a life of holiness and simplicity. On this occasion, let us seek the blessings of Saint John Marie Vianney to lead a blessed and happy life. Once again, I wish you all a very
कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्
भरता है मन का
Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before His presence with singing.
रखो के वही एक खुदा है,
हमको ये जीवन उसी ने दिया है।
उस चारागाह से हम सब हैं आए,
All the world is my school. A very warm good morning to all respected principal, parents, sister Shelly, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself and Vikanda from KG to A. Today I am here to express my view on my school. My school name is Vyani Vidya Mandir. I love my school because it is one of the best school. The classroom of my school are very wide, large and airy. Our school has a very large playground where we play sports. The school is the place that prepares us for a good tomorrow. There is a computer lab, science lab and a big library in my school. All the teachers of my school are very kind and cooperative. We celebrate all national events in our school. I am proud of my school because we all study here like a family.
Good morning to one and all. This is Pooja teacher. I would like to show you a short story of our patron Saint Vianney. Thank you and have a nice day.
रिम झिम सावन की पुकार, कल कल बाजे झरनों की धार। रिम झिम सावन की पुकार, कल कल बाजे झरनों की धार। लाया है ये दिन खुशियों की बहार, लाया है ये दिन खुशियों की बहार। आओ मनाए वियानी का त्योहार, आओ मनाए वियानी का त्योहार। जॉन वियानी, जॉन वियानी, जॉन वियानी हो तेरा जय जयकार। जॉन वियानी, जॉन वियानी, जॉन वियानी हो तेरा सच्ची लगन से कर प्रार्थना, जन जन को यीशु के करीब लाया। सच्ची लगन से कर प्रार्थना, जन जन को यीशु के करीब लाया। पवित्र जीवन का आदर्श देकर जॉन वियानी तू संत बना। पवित्र जीवन को आदर्श देकर जॉन वियानी तू संत बना। रक्षक संत हमारे कर प्रार्थना।
हम सब करेंगे।
सुप्रभात मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों और गुरुजनों को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम आयुष शुक्ला है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं अ में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज आप लोगों के समूह वियानी जी के जीवन के बारे में कुछ विचारों को प्रकट करना चाहता हूँ। संत जॉन मरिया वियानी जी का जन्म फ्रांस में लियोन्स नगर के निकट दार्दिली नामक गांव में सन 1786 में हुआ था। वियानी जी अपने अच्छे कर्म, विनम्रता, धार्मिकता और सावधानी के लिए जाने जाते थे। उन्हें 13 अगस्त सन 1815 को विहित पुरोहित का उपाधि प्राप्त हुई। उन्हें एक अस्पष्ट गिरजाघर आर्स में भेजा गया, जहां महिला अथवा पुरुष एक दयनीय जिंदगी व्यक्त कर रहे थे। वियानी जी ने इस अंधेरे को मिटाने के लिए अपने सद्भाव और रोशनी को प्रज्वलित किया। वे एक उदाहरणात्मक, सादगी और ऊंचे विचार वाले व्यक्ति थे। वियानी जी की बहादुरी, प्रेम, सेवा, विनम्रता, त्याग और धर्मनिष्ठा के कारण सभी उनको मानवता के विश्वासी हो गए। वे लोगों को बदलने और प्रभु की सेवा में समय गुजारने की प्रेरणा देते थे। इस प्रकार 4 अगस्त 1859 को 73 वर्ष की आयु में उनका देहांत हुआ। मरने के बाद सभी उन्हें संत मानने लगे। सन 1925 में संत पिता पियूष 11वें ने उन्हें संत घोषित किया। कलेशिया में वे पल्ली पुरोहित में सुरक्षक माने जाते थे। उनका पर्व 4 अगस्त को मनाया जाता है। उनकी यही विचारधारा हमें प्रेरणा देते हैं कि हमें भी अपनी जिंदगी और समाज को उनकी ओर प्रकाश डालने की प्रेरणा दे। धन्यवाद।
A very good morning to all of you. Dear Reverend Father Anup, our school manager, Reverend Sister Shelley, our principal, dear sisters, teaching and non-teaching staff of Vianney Vidya Mandir, dear parents and my dear students. Today, as we celebrate our Patron's Day, school's Patron's Day, Saint John Maria Vianney Day, I wish all of you a very happy feast. In a special way, Reverend Father Anup, because today is the priest day. That means their Patron's Day. Because of that, on behalf of the whole Vianney Vidya Mandir, I wish you a very happy feast, Father Anup. And now, when we celebrate such an important person's feast, we have to know something about that person. John Maria Vianney, born in France in 18th century in a good Christian family. And he was a good boy. He was a simple and humble person. From the young age, he wanted to become a priest. But at that time, to become a priest, it was compulsory to learn or to know the Latin language. Poor John Maria Vianney was not so intelligent and he had a very short memory power. Because of that, he was sometimes fooled by from his companions, colleagues. But his hard work, his strong faith in God, and his humbleness
You stand tall. You stand tall. One more. You stand tall. You stand
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए न सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार हो पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से टूटा खिंच खिंच के भेजा चल दे यार यार रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार चढ़ जा तू किताबों के पहाड़ 100 बार घट्टा मार टपक टपक ब्रेन को दौड़ा उसको चाबुक मार जोरदार रट्टा मार करके मिलेगा क्या लेगा क्या तू खा कट कट के पी जा टॉनिक चिंता यार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार
Good morning everyone, my name is Samchang and I am from class 4th A. Respected Sister Shelly, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about my school. My school name is Vijnana Vidya Mandir. My school is full of discipline. The staff here like a second parents and make the school our second home. They teach us things lovingly. There are various activities such as sports, competition, science exhibition, etc. There is a huge library, playground, computer lab, etc. We are celebrating every festival with fun. We are always inspired to do something new each day. We are extremely proud to be a part of such a majestic school. Thank you and I
ये कहानी है दो नदियों की जिनका आगे जाके संगम हुआ और इस पवित्र संगम से एक नए रूप का जन्म हुआ।
मैं हूँ भागीरथी, हिमालय की गोद में रहती हूँ, तोड़कर पहाड़ों को अपने साहस से सरल भाव से बहती हूँ। मैं हूँ अलकनंदा, मेरा मार्ग रोक सके न कोई, कल कल करती जल धाराएं पर्वतों से प्रवाहित हुई। बेली घूमूं अकेली, कोई पहेली हूँ मैं। बेली घूमूं अकेली, कोई पहेली हूँ मैं। मैं अकेली कोई पगली हूँ। अगली हवाएं मुझे जहाँ भी ले जाए, इन हवाओं की सहेली हूँ। शाम और सवेरे ऐसा रंग मेरे, मैं भी नहीं जानू आए क्या। मैं झूमती नाचती हूँ सदा, मेरी हर लहर बल खाई। मैं हूँ स्थिर और शांत भाव की गहरी न्यारी परछाई।
Good morning, I am Ritika Duppe from class 10th B and I am here to say speech on the life of Saint John Maria Vianney. Saint John Maria Vianney was born on 8th May 1786 in a poor farmer's family in France. He was renowned as a confessor for his supernatural powers. He was also known for his fearlessness, simplicity, thoughtfulness, kindness to the poor and hard work. In his student life, he was an average student who had his studies interrupted in 1809 and recruited into Napoleon's army. He chose to become a priest when priests were being killed and churches were being destroyed during the French Revolution. He was ordained as a priest on 13 August 1815 and was sent to Oscars Church at Ars. Ars was a God-forsaken village inhabited by men and women who were leading an immoral life. He was a man of great simplicity. He was a man of great dedication. He worked tirelessly hard day in and day out for all over upliftment of men and women who were assigned for his priestly cares. He liked to be in the confessional for long hours and spend time praying in the church. Instead of cursing the darkness, he lit the candle. On 4th August 1859, he was died at the age of 73. And in 1925, he was canonized by Pope Pius XI. May the idols practiced and lived by Saint John Maria Vianney helps us inspire to transform our lives and our society. Thank you.
Gratitude is the best attitude. On this joyous day of celebration, I feel very proud and blessed, and I am thankful to the Almighty for giving me a chance to be part of this VVM family. Really, I am lucky for having such loving people in my life. Today is the time to be happy and grateful. On behalf of the management, I express my sincere thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff and all my dear students for making this day more meaningful and memorable one. Very especially, we remember and pray for all of you and your family members through the intercession of Saint Vianney, patron of our school. On this occasion, let's seek the blessings of Saint Vianney to lead a blessed and happy life. Once again, thank you. May the good God bless you.
Vidya Mandir, O garden of wisdom, Saint Vianney Vidya Mandir. You are full of life and true knowledge. to uplift us. Lamp shining on the mountain top, dispelling the dark clouds of death. Lamp shining on the mountain top, dispelling the dark clouds of death. Enkindle the deep thoughts of a soul to become bearers of true light. Enkindle the deep thoughts of a soul to become bearers of true light, like the patron saint, leading all to light, like the patron saint, leading all to light, burning out the self, giving out to all, burning out the self, giving out to all, reaching out to transform us, burning out the self, giving out to all, reaching out to transform us. Oh, garden of wisdom, sent